Hi everybody, this is Dr. Chris Swaroop here. In the midst of the pandemic, I know all of us, many of us are very worried about people around us, our family, friends, and associates who may have got affected by the virus. But before that, let's come to a conscious conclusion that the second wave of the virus is definitely not manufactured by our neighboring country. It's a made in India initiative in double quotes. But why? Hey, you there. I saw you not wearing a mask on the beach the other day. And I saw you in the theater not maintaining social distance, right? When we were off quarantine, we seemed to take it too easily. So we're not here to play the blame game, but rather let's responsibility look at what we are going to do in the way forward. So what we have to do is make sure you exercise every day. Now is not a bad time to start. I know you're a little worried. There's a lot of fear going on in the background. It's never too late to start. Please, if you like the video, hit like and subscribe to the channel because in the upcoming video tomorrow, day after, I would be sharing a list of exercises, yoga, and breathing techniques that would help you cope up much better with the virus. So, what we need to do right now is be prepared. So, set your targets, start your deadlines today. Let's make sure you're healthier by the day, one step at a time. So, that's ideally what we're looking at. Start exercising right now. If you've not done it for the last 1 year, it's still okay. You can still begin. And let's understand this COVID, Corona, what are we talking about? It's a virus. It's just the flu. It cannot kill you. It's your own fear that can kill you. Understand that, guys. So I'm not saying be careless. I'm saying be careful, but be fearless. Looking at the newspapers, they will only tell you that there are 3.5 lakh people getting affected every day. There are 10 lakh cases over the last 3 days. But what they don't tell you, or what they don't highlight rather, is that 5 lakh people have got discharged over the last couple of days. That is something you need to look at very seriously. And the death rate is hardly 1%. 1% death rate is a no brainer, guys. So just hope and pray that we're not part of that, us or our family. And let's be prepared, be fearless, and be very, very careful to face the difficult days that are going to come. And wherever possible, if you got the age criteria or you got influence, please get the vaccine. The vaccine really helps. Also, please understand the composition of the vaccine. The cricket ball COVID vaccine representation and those spikes you see on top, that's called the spike protein. The vaccine is made up of spike protein. The smallest bit of the spike protein is injected into your body, that goes into your body, and it creates antibodies against itself, against the virus itself. So when in this process, what happens is you tend to get extremely dehydrated, you tend to get fever, body pain, and a lot of side effects. It's very mild, very minor considering what you may have to go through if you get COVID itself. Don't listen to anyone who says you'll be absolutely fine after the vaccine. You need to take care of yourself like a baby for the next 3 to 4 days at least. Don't go binge drinking. Don't go running on the treadmill. Don't have an 18-hour work day. So stay calm. The next 3 to 4 days after the vaccine is very important because whoever, you could see an actor recently who passed away after the vaccine, or somebody else you may have known who had side effects, massive side effects after the vaccine. Chances are very high that they stress themselves out, stretch their limits soon after the vaccine. So stay completely hydrated and stay very safe after the vaccine. So, and also understand that the death rate is still wobbling around 1%. I hope, wish, and pray that you have a very, very good future along with your family. If you like this video, this is just the starter. I would like you to like the video and subscribe to the channel so that I would be uploading more COVID related content. I wish we all get out of this on a very, very positive note. Thank you, guys. Lots of love to you.